Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. I wanted to give you guys a closer update on the kindergarten classroom now that we have been in school for technically about 9 weeks now. So basically we are at the end of quarter 1 next week, the last week of October, and we've been doing quite a few things here in this kindergarten classroom. So let me just show you. So yes, this is my teacher area. This is my desk. Over here is where we have like the art. So anytime the kids create art during purposeful play, it goes up here. They also had hopes and dreams that were written by their families that were put in here, and now we have them hanging on the wall. We also have our numbers now lined up like this, and they printed out these very nice counting strategies posters that go up here. And then we have our word wall for colors. We keep all of our math materials over here and labeled, such as counting jar, roll and record, line puzzles, pattern snakes, how many does it hold, and then like I said, all of the math material is still over here. It is definitely now labeled, such as colored bears, shape cubes, snap cubes, pattern blocks, bears, color squares, bug counters, you name it. So we now have a sound wall thanks to the teacher that I work with. I work under her. Her desk area is right here. This is where small groups will start. I'll have a small group table at my table soon. And so this is just the word wall. And this is how the kids know how their mouths are supposed to look when they are saying certain sounds. So we have a couple of different centers. We use this table for different centers. This week the kids are putting their names on there and then getting the letters from out of here to build their names. This is where some of the literacy stations is right here, and then the rest of it is purposeful play. So I created these reading folders. When it is literacy time, the kids have the option of doing these reading folders where you get this folder where it says read, and it has piggy and elephant and pigeon on the front. And then on the inside, I just picked like 5 book characters where it tells the kids to pick 5 books and that they're to read them. When they are done reading them, they put them on this side and they basically just close it up and start over, go get 5 new books. One of the things that the teacher I work under found really helpful is to have a captain at each table. So a captain hero from each table that can help keep these materials in the middle of the table and to help keep everything together like that. And so this is still our reading area. This is just telling us how many books we've read. I think that we've definitely fallen off of this. We're supposed to read 100 books before the end of the year. And we started it. And so we still have all of this up. The kids over here now have the phones where they can use them to read the books. We have our books labeled over here by category. So this is anything by Mo Williams. It could be pig and elephant. It could be pigeon. And then these are like our feelings books. This category right here is just like literally miscellaneous. Like I bought in some Frozen books because I was cleaning up at home. We have the Mr. Potato Head. This week we have a vet station where you're taking care of animals and such like that. We're still keeping up with how many days we've been in school. And this is how they're doing purposeful play. And yeah, I mean, the schedule is very easy. We are doing messages by the date. And then, like I said, captain for each table changes weekly. We now have like a little bit of everything kind of going on in the room. This is where our birthdays are. This is just an update into the classroom. And then we're still using the folders to send work home. During purposeful play, we're doing things such as making art projects like this or like that one. Last week they were doing pattern snakes and things like that. So I hope that you all enjoyed getting a glimpse back into the kindergarten classroom, as we've been in here for a couple weeks now and we are definitely getting the hang of things in here. Kindergarten is definitely one of those grades where it's challenging, but it's very fun, and it's really good to get to know a bunch of new students.